Good morning, folks. Silvano out west. Got ourselves a small roof runoff install. All FDM parts, 3.5 inch pipe, 6-inch cut basin, all ready to roll. Starting at this downspout, go shallow. Then we come around here. And we work our discharge all the way back over there behind the fence. There's a drainage easement right on top of sprinkler lines. Shallow, flat bottom trench. We're still working on the grading. So check this out. We don't just throw a pipe in the ground and hope that it works. We actually do everything methodically. We got our zip level. We could use a laser level too, but this is pretty convenient. We use our zip level, same level we use to level our homes. But we start a flat bottom trench. Got our 0 right there. And we start grading. At every 8-10 feet, we drop an inch. This is all methodically placed out. About 2 inches right there. Here we start our second grade. I'm going to put a catch basin right here. Start shallow. We're going to work with these sprinkler lines and move them along. Type this downspout catch basin, breed basin right there. Second 2x3 downspout. Okay, check out this leaf filter, prepped in. Love the not quite a 90s. It creates a perfect slope off of the grade beam. Right here, this 3.5 inch pipe go right on top of the sprinkler line. That's what's so cool about this pipe. Flat bottom trench, guys, flat bottom trench. Can't afford to have any bellies in your lines. Flat bottom trench. Got it tied in catch basins. Flat bottom trench. 3.5 inch pipe hooks. If you have a contractor bidding you very cheap, he's most likely going to cheap you out of your money. Just throw a pipe in the ground, not even level it correctly like we do. An inch at every 8 feet, and give it its proper 1% slope. The low bid is always going to give you a crappy job. Go with the ones who actually take pride in their workflows. Okay, folks, we got our trench. Slowly backfilling, keeping it nice and tight. Every seam taped. Leaf filters, plenty of fall, plenty of fall. Okay, second run, first catch basin right there. Downspout, catch basin. catch basins in, slowly backfilling and cleaning up. This is where we'll have our discharge, our pop-up emitter, probably about 2 to 3 feet away from the fence line and onto our drainage easement. All that heavy runoff is going to spill into the city drainage easement. We will also dig this line out to about 2 or 3 feet, about right there, and discharge our pop-up emitter. Okay folks, to install this FDM pop-up emitter, we always use a non-woven double punch geotextile filter fabric. It's not like your other landscaping fabric that most of these drainage hacks use. Go get it at Home Depot. This is specific permeable non-woven geotextile filter fabric. This fabric here almost looks like a felt. This is how you know it's geotextile filter fabric. The non-woven one, pretty thick. It's a 4 ounce. Grab our knife or box cutter. We make a slit. Stretch it out a bit. Make it fit over. Right. This is how we encapsulate our pop-up emitter. And now we grab a pop-up and clip it in. No screws, no tape. Just clips in like that. Remove the lid. I like to use the River Rock. You can find this at Home Depot or Lowe's. I usually buy it in bags whenever I don't have a big project. It's just like a Downspout-Roof Run-off system. I usually don't buy the bulk, only on French drains. River pebble right here. Let our stone in, pack it in, stop the lid. Perfect. This will be a perfect install. Now, grab our overlap, just like that. And we cut slits in it and fit it over our belt cup like a sock. Put it in like a glove. It's one fold over. Grab this one, fold it in tight, do the slit, stretch it over the belt coupler. And we grab this one and we do our final fold. The rest you just tuck in with hole. Tuck it in. There you have it. So now this will be backfilled with dirt. There's your pop-up emitter off into the neighborhood drainage easement. Okay folks, we got it properly graded, topsoil, about to seed it and straw it. Okay, so our customer had recently got a pool built in his backyard, and as a result, the pool guys kind of left a mess here in the backyard. So in our contract, we had agreed to regrade his backyard and throw a layer of topsoil, seed it, and straw it. So come the end of springtime, this homeowner will have nice pretty grass growing in his backyard now. We got it nice and buttoned up. Testing out the system. 2x3 downspout on a 3.5 inch line. Got it all sawed and straw. Check out the flow. These are downspout debris basins as well as surface area basins for any surface water. And off we go to the discharge back there. Check out the flow. Look at that flow, folks. Off into our city storm easement. Water's just flowing. Okay folks, here we got our second run. We started off the pitch with one catch basin, 12 by 12 with a 6-inch round. Got our downspout tied in. Debris basin right after that. This will also serve as a surface area drain for any runoff from the pool. Let's see some flow here. Got the downspout tied in. Catch basin. Let's see the flow here. And there's flow, folks.